A decade ago, Apple released a limited edition GarageBand sound pack that was only available for 2 weeks, and then it was gone forever. Until now. Maybe. When it was first released, GarageBand wasn't actually free. Users had to originally pay $4.99/£2.99 to download the app. That later changed to a freemium pricing model where users could download the app for free but had to pay extra to access all of its available instruments and sounds. Extra content wasn't free either. In 2014, Apple collaborated with Product Red. Yes, the same Product Red who provide Apple with the best iPhone colorway, to create the limited edition Product Red loop pack. Consisting of 300 exclusive audio loops, the limited edition Product Red loop pack cost a whopping 99 cents or 69p nice, and was only available between the 23rd of November and 7th of December 2014. Most of these sounds have never been seen again in GarageBand for iOS, which is really weird as they're excellent. The Product Red loop pack contains a wide range of sounds covering loads of different genres. There are some brilliant examples of mid-2010s EDM synth hooks. Think David Guetta, Avicii, or Swedish House Mafia type sounds. Alongside some distinctly 2010s guitar and bass licks. And loads of drum and percussion loops that are just begging to be chopped up and put back together in interesting ways. So if you were a GarageBand user back in 2014 and managed to pick up this sound pack in the 2 weeks that it was available, you're probably wondering what happened to it. Why isn't it here somewhere or even visible at all in your GarageBand loop library? Since 2014, GarageBand for iOS has had loads of updates, including a couple of massive redesigns. And some way along the way there, access to these loops was lost. But you can actually re-download them and they'll appear as the Project Red sound pack in your GarageBand loop browser. Head to GarageBand settings, then tap on Restore Purchases. If you've bought the Project Red pack previously, this will start downloading it, and when done, you'll be able to access all of these sounds the same way you do any other sound pack's contents. If you, for some reason, didn't buy the pack a decade ago when it was available for just 2 weeks, you'll instead get a message saying that there are no items available to restore at this time. Having said that though, many of these loops are still currently available on iOS, inside Logic Pro for iPad, which contains some of these sounds in its stock selection of loops. Lucky Logic Pro for Mac users have access to all of these sounds, though they aren't in a separate sound pack. Instead, they've been incorporated into Logic Pro's stock selection of loops too. I'm really surprised that these sounds haven't been re-released as a separate standalone sound pack or something, as the included loops are brilliant. If you do want to suggest that idea to Apple or have any other issues with GarageBand on your iPhone or iPad, I've left a link to Apple's official GarageBand feedback page down below the like button, and who knows, if enough of us moan about it, we might just see this forgotten sound pack reappear for all GarageBand users at some point. Let me know if you grabbed the Product Red loop pack back in 2014 and whether you're able to re-access them using the method outlined in this video down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give that like button a good hard slap on the way past. I really appreciate it, and it helps more people see this video. If you don't have access to the Project Red loop pack, don't despair. I've got loads more free stuff that you can add to your GarageBand projects right here.